Well, I'm Greg Knutson. I work with Foremost Farms USA. I'm a maintenance manager there, and I'm installing a computerized maintenance management system in all 12 of our facilities. We started out by picking a group of people over several different disciplines, and we had quality involved in sanitation, environmental, safety, management, maintenance, and we looked at several different software packages that were available before we bought MVP. And we scrutinized each one. We brought different people in and we quizzed them and questioned them and saw demos, and we chose MVP Plant because it could handle all of our needs, from sanitation to safety, quality, everything. And I still feel good about our choice. It has worked out well, and it gives us the ability to go paperless. We use MVP Plant in several different ways. We start out by just generating tasks by certain frequencies to make sure all the equipment is taken care of. We put all the inventory in there. So we're using it for everything, basically. Well, one of the reasons we chose MVP Plant as our computerized maintenance management system, we got to talk to real people, several different software packages we looked at. It was just a voice on the phone. They didn't come out and meet us. The sales group that MVP did, we got to meet real people, talk to real people. Their tech services group I talk to on a regular basis. They're outstanding. They're not afraid to think outside of the box with you and come up with new ways of doing stuff, and it's worked out very well. I would recommend MVP Plant to other businesses because it has worked out great for us. It was everything that the sales people told us it would be. They've gone outside the box to work with us as far as sales, and their tech service has been outstanding with developing new ways of doing things and working with us. So I would definitely recommend this to other people.